Here, so I'm going to show you how to add patterns to clothes using Photoshop. First of all, open the image and now we have to select our cloth. So select the quick selection tool and go ahead and select your cloth just like this. After that, open the pattern image and then unlock the image layer and press Ctrl A to select entire image and then press Ctrl C to copy. Now go back to your project and go to edit, hover over on paste spatial and here just click on paste into and then increase your pattern size just like this, and after that just click on OK. And now it's time to adjust our pattern. So right click on the pattern layer and just open blending options and here select blending option and here you will find this underlining layer. So hold on the Alt key and then click on this icon to divide. Now using this second option, just go ahead and make the pattern perfect for your cloth, and also you can divide this part and adjust your pattern. Once you're happy, just click on OK and here click on this blending option, select multiply, and here you can see the final result. That's it for now.